Hello student, good morning. Myself Sri K.D. Borsesar, biology subject teacher. In previous lecture we learned control and coordination chapter content concepts, disorders of nervous system. Also we learn in previous lecture concept of chemical coordination and endocrine system. Today we are going to learn some more concept including control and coordination chapter like chemical nature of hormones and mechanism of hormone action. So let us start today's first concept, chemical nature of hormones. Chemically hormones are maybe amines, peptide, fatty acid, proteins, gases. So chemical nature of hormones, first one is amines. These are the simple amines. For example, adrenal medulla secreted by hormone catecholamines are amine nature hormone. Also pineal gland secreted by melatonin, epinephrine and non-epinephrine. So pineal gland secreted hormone, adrenal medulla secreted hormones are amine nature hormones. Hope that you understood everything. Melatonin is also amine nature. Epinephrine is also amine nature, non-epinephrine is also amine nature. Some are modified from amino acids like thyroxine is also amine nature hormone. What are the amine nature hormones? Catecholamine, melatonin, epinephrine, non-epinephrine and thyroxines are amine nature hormones. Now we learn peptide hormones. What are the peptide hormones? These hormones means peptide hormones consist of long or short chains of amino acids. Hormones of hypothalamus like oxytocin, ADH and gonadotropin releasing hormones are peptide nature hormones. You know, oxytocin is especially for birth hormone, ADH, water reabsorption hormone, gonadotropin releasing hormone are secreted by hypothalamus, stimulates to pituitary gland. So pituitary gland secrete gonadotropin hormones like FSH and LH. So oxytocin, ADH and GnRH are peptide nature hormones. What are the protein nature hormones? Insulin, glucagon are secreted by islets of pancreas, contain alpha cell secrete glucagon, beta cell secrete insulin. So both hormones are protein nature hormone. Also thyroid stimulating hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, lactotropic hormone, growth hormone, relaxin hormone are protein nature hormone. So what are the protein nature hormones? Insulin, glucagon, TSH, FSH, LTH, GH and relaxins are protein nature hormones. Fatty acid derivative means the hormone contain fatty acid chemical derivative like number 1, prostaglandin is one of the hormone that contain fatty acids. Up to this we detail discuss total 4 different types of nature, amine nature hormones, peptide nature hormones, protein nature hormones and fatty acid derivative hormones. Now we learn steroid hormones. these hormones means steroid hormones are lipid soluble and derived from cholesterol or other steroids like estrogen, testosterone and aldosterone. Estrogen specially for female sex hormone, testosterone male sex hormone, and aldosterone is also steroid hormone. So here noted all these three hormones are steroid nature hormone. These are the lipid soluble hormone derived from cholesterol and other steroids. Action of these hormones is concentrated with long lasting response. Up to this we discuss total 5 different chemical nature hormones. We learn last gas nature hormone number 6. Gas nature hormone known as nitric oxide is a gas nature hormone. So total 6 different chemical nature hormones. Hope that you understood everything. Now we learn mechanism of hormone action. In mechanism of hormone action, you know, hormones release very small quantity by endocrine glands. So such small quantity hormones affect on target organ or cell by binding of hormone receptor. Such hormone receptor present may be on the cell membrane or intracellular location. The hormone receptor may be present on the cell membrane or intracellular. Senior diagrammatic representation. This is the ovarian cell membrane. On the ovarian cell membrane present receptor. So such receptor bind with hormone follicle stimulating hormone. So follicle stimulating hormone bind with receptor to form follicle stimulating hormone complex. So some receptor are present on the cell membrane and some receptor are present on the intracellular. Seen here, hormone estrogen is steroid hormone. Steroid hormone is lipid soluble hormone, so it's directly enter into the cell through plasma membrane or cell membrane. So inside the cell contains cytoplasm. A receptor is present, so such receptor bind with hormone to form hormone receptor complex in the cytoplasm. Such hormone receptor complex enter from cytoplasm to nucleus. So hormone receptor is maybe on the cell membrane or intracellular location. When hormone combine with the receptor to form hormone receptor complex. When hormone combine with receptor to form hormone receptor complex, such hormone receptor complex leads to biochemical changes in the target tissue. Now we learn on the basis of location of hormone receptor, mechanism of hormone action, 2 types. On the basis of location of hormone receptor, mechanism of hormones. Action 2 types. Number 1, mode of hormone action through cell membrane receptor. Mode of hormone action through intracellular receptor. We learn one by one. First one is mode of hormone action through cell membrane receptor. How mode of hormone action through cell membrane receptor takes place? You know, molecules of amino acid derivatives, peptide hormones bind to specific receptor molecule located on the cell membrane or plasma membrane. Always remember, amino acid derivative or peptide hormone bind with a specific receptor molecule located on cell or plasma membrane, form hormone receptor complex. Causes, seen here diagrammatic representation, on the cell membrane present hormone receive the receptor to form hormone receptor complex. So such hormone receptor complex cause release an enzyme adenylate cyclase. So such enzyme adenylate cyclase from a receptor site to this enzyme form cyclic AMP from ATP of the cell. Always remember, when hormone combine with hormone receptor present on cell membrane, form hormone receptor complex, cause release adenylate cyclase enzyme. Such enzyme are responsible for formation of cyclic AMP from ATP of the cell. So such cyclic AMP are activate the enzymatic action. So this type of hormone action takes place through cell membrane receptor. Hormone combine with receptor present on cell membrane. So hormone receptor complex is formed on the cell membrane. Such hormone receptor complex site release one of the enzyme known as adenylate cyclase enzyme. Such enzyme is responsible for formation of cyclic AMP from ATP of the cell. So such cyclic AMP is activated enzymatic action. So such type of hormone action takes place through cell membrane receptor. The hormone acts as first messenger during the mode of hormone action through cell membrane receptor. Hormone acts as first messenger and the cyclic AMP is second messenger. Which one is first messenger in cell membrane receptor mode of hormone action? The hormone acts as first messenger. Which one is second messenger? Cyclic AMP is the second messenger during the mode of hormone action through cell membrane receptor. Also here diagrammatic representation seen. When hormone receptor complex is formed on the cell membrane, such complex release one of the enzyme that responsible for formation of cyclic AMP. Such cyclic AMP is most important for catalyze the reaction in the cell. So here noted, cyclic AMP is second messenger, hormones is first messenger. Also other different second messengers are like calcium, cyclic GMP, also IP3 means inositol triphosphate. Here noted, calcium, cyclic GMP and IP3 are second messenger. Most of time this question is also noted. What are the second messengers of mode of action, mode of hormone action through cell membrane receptor? Calcium, cyclic GMP and IP3 are the second messenger. No doubt first messenger known as hormone, second messenger most of time cyclic AMP. Other second messengers are calcium, cyclic GMP and IP3. Hope that you understood everything. What are how mode of action hormone through cell membrane receptor. Now we learn in detail mode of hormone action through intracellular receptor. Mode of hormone action through intracellular receptor. You know, steroid and thyroid hormones are lipid soluble hormone. Which one is lipid soluble hormone? Steroid and thyroid hormones are lipid soluble hormones. So such lipid soluble hormones are easily passed through plasma membrane to target cell in the cytoplasm. Senior diagrammatic representation. This is the plasma membrane. Hormone estrogen, steroid nature hormone. So such estrogen hormone is directly enter through plasma membrane in the cytoplasm. Such hormone enter into the cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, hormone bind with a specific intracellular receptor protein. In cytoplasm, hormone bind with specific intracellular receptor protein, forming a hormone receptor complex. Means hormone receptor complex is formed in the cytoplasm when the lipid soluble hormone is enter into the cell through plasma membrane. So forming hormone receptor complex, forming hormone receptor complex that enter in the nucleus. This is the nucleus, and hormone receptor complex enter from cytoplasm to the nucleus. Hormone receptor complex formed in the cytoplasm. Such complex enter into the nucleus. So in the nucleus, hormone receptor complex, in the nucleus, hormone receptor complex bind to a specific site of regulatory DNA site. Hormone receptor complex bind to specific regulatory site of DNA. Senior diagrammatic representation. Hormone receptor complex present in the cytoplasm, transfer from cytoplasm to nucleus. So such hormone receptor complex bind with a regulatory site of DNA. Due to this, Due to this, activated gene transcribed mRNA on DNA strand. Activated genes transcribed mRNA on DNA strand. So such mRNA are useful for synthesis of protein, and the synthesis protein are useful for a enzyme in cytoplasm. So mode of hormone action here completed through intracellular receptor. Mode of hormone action completed two-way. Hormone receptor may be present on the cell membrane, or hormone receptor may be present in cytoplasm. Here hormone receptor is present in the cytoplasm, so hormone directly enter into the cytoplasm through plasma membrane, because such hormones are steroid or thyroid hormone that are soluble to lipid. So hormone receptor complex form in the cytoplasm, then transfer into the nucleus. In the nucleus, specific regulatory site of DNA bind with hormone receptor complex. Due to this, activated gene transcribed mRNA, and such mRNA are useful for synthesis of protein. So such protein is most important enzyme for cytoplasm. So such type of mode of hormone action takes place through intracellular receptor. Always remember, action of lipid soluble hormone is slower but long lasting. Action of lipid soluble hormone is slower but long lasting. Up to this we detail discuss mode of hormone actions on both way. Receptor may be present on cell membrane, or receptor may be present in intracellular. Now we review today's topic. We learn chemical nature of hormone in today's lecture. Mechanism of hormone action. Mode of hormone action through cell membrane receptor. Mode of hormone action through intracellular receptor. On the basis of today's lecture, some exercise question noted here. Number 1, first MCQ. Chemically, epinephrine is a steroid, amine, gas, all of this. Yes, the correct answer is chemically epinephrine is amine. So B, amine is correct option. The mechanism of action of protein hormone, one of the second messenger called as cyclic AMP, insulin, T3, gastrin. Yes, the correct answer is the mechanism of action of protein hormone, one of the second messenger called as cyclic AMP, means A, cyclic AMP, correct option. Hormone receptor located in target tissue cell, only their position is on plasma membrane, in cytoplasm, in nucleus. Any one above depend on the type of hormone. Yes, the correct answer is any one above, means hormone receptor may be present on cell membrane, in cytoplasm, or in nucleus. So any one above depend on type of hormone. Which is steroid hormones? Yes, estrogen, epinephrine, insulin and glucagon. Yes, the correct answer is estrogen is steroid hormone, means A, estrogen is correct option. Short answer question number 1. Why steroid hormone easily pass through plasma membrane to target cell into the cytoplasm? Yes, because steroid hormones are lipid soluble hormones, so steroid hormones can be easily passed through plasma membrane of the target cell into the cytoplasm. Name any two steroid hormones. Yes, estrogen and testosterone are steroid hormones. Which one is gas nature hormone? Yes, nitric oxide. Nitrate oxide is a gas hormone. Molecule of amino acid derivative peptide hormone bind to specific receptor molecule located on, yes, molecule of amino acid derivative peptide hormone bind to specific receptor molecule located on cell membrane or plasma membrane. Number 5. Which one is first messenger during the mode of hormone action through cell membrane receptor? Yes, hormone is the first messenger during the mode of hormone action through cell membrane receptor. Match hormone with chemical nature. Column A contain hormones and column B contain chemical nature. First one is melatonin is one of the hormone. You know, melatonin secreted by pineal gland. So melatonin nature is amine, means one match with D. Aldosterone, yes, it is a steroid hormone, means two match with A. Nitric oxide, yes, nitric oxide is gas hormone, so 3 match with B. Insulin, yes, insulin is protein nature hormone, so 4 match with C. Up to this, today's lecture completed. Hope that you understood everything. If you like the video, then you can subscribe my BioInfo YouTube channel. Tap the bell icon and like the video. If any doubt about today's lecture, mention in comment box. Thank you.